Hi, I'm Tim. I'm a local loan officer for Michigan, and thank you so much for watching. This channel is all about mortgages, credit, building wealth, and all that good stuff. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe, drop me a comment. Love to have you here, and thanks so much. So this is going to be a very, very exciting video. I just attended a class about MSDHA. Oh, here it goes. And they gave me this right here. It's like a $10,000 thing that goes on when they're selling a home. So they made some changes to the program, and I'm going to go over that with you. But yeah, it's a down payment assistance offered by the state where you get $10,000 towards your closing costs, your down payment, pretty much everything. So it's a very, very good program. It's going to help a lot of people get into homes, and I can definitely do this program, and I'm so excited about it. So I'm going to share with you these slides. Now, it's about 53 slides, but I'm not going to go through all 53 slides. I'm going to go to, I forgot, I wrote it down. But anyway, I'm going to like maybe 30 of the slides. But if you want the complete PDF, go ahead and email me. My contact information below, and I'll happily send this to you. So let's get it here. So what is MSDHA? MSDHA is basically a government agency, and it helps with home financing. It helps homeowners. It's credit. It does housing services, all that good stuff. So that is what MSDHA is. There's a organization for the state of Michigan that helps people. Tax credits, things like that. Some misperceptions of MSDHA is that they run out of money. So MSDHA does not run out of money. Now, they do have different programs that come that you don't have to pay back. So those can run out of money, but the program of MSDHA where you can get $7,500 or $10,000, they do not run out of money. Another misperception of it is that it's only for low-income buyers. Now, they actually upped this a little bit. So anywhere from $84,000 to $164,000. So that is not for low-income borrowers. I mean, to me, that's in Michigan making $84,000. That's pretty good. $164,000, that's really good. So it's not for low-income borrowers. And then the sales prices are too low, which actually you can go up to $224,000. And they're actually looking at trying to raise this. So right now it's at $224,500. It'll be the max purchase price. And that is only for first-time home buyers. It's for anybody that have not owned a home in the last 3 years can go ahead and take advantage of this. All right, let's go to the next slide here. Basically, it helps. 98% of MSDHA people are referred by friends or relatives. So most people that do this program are referred by someone that done this program. And then 84% of them indicate that they would not have been able to buy their home without MSDHA. So out of 98%, 84% of people would not have been able to get in a home without using this program. And that's why it's a great program to help people. And then 40-50% of MSDHAs are referred by realtors. So it's realtors and it's people that actually use the program out here promoting it. And there's also me. I'm a lender and I'm promoting the program. All right, where are we at here? Let me go to the next slide. This is just kind of the flow, how it works. Now, there's a real big misperception that MSDHA has to underwrite the file. No. So once the lender does it, accepts the contract, locks a rate, follows the MSDHA guidelines, they send it over to MSDHA just for a review, and then the loan closes. So most MSDHA loans do close in about 30 to 35 days. Now, without MSDHA, yeah, you can probably close in 14, 21 days. But hey, if you're getting some money, I would definitely wait a little bit longer to get some money. And then another benefit of MSDHA is that you get a lower interest rate. So right now, as I'm recording this on January 13th, current rate for MSDHA is 5.875. I'm sorry. So this is the rate. The 5.875 is that if you use the MSDHA, but you don't use the $10,000, and that's another big component, you can use MSDHA and not take the $10,000 and just get a lower rate. But if you use the $10,000, it's 6.3. But that's still pretty good. Look at the market right now, and these are really competitive, great rates. And some compliances that it's for targeted and non-targeted areas. So the targeted areas definitely get the $10,000. The non-targeted areas get $7,500. And then the sell price is limited. We went over that, 224. Income is limited, but remember, 84,000 and 164, and then the credit score requirement. And I think that's what we're going to talk to. So out of 66 Michigan counties, 83% are targeted. So a lot of these areas are targeted. And this is just Macomb, for example, a 2-family household, 107, 3-family, 103. And what else here? Let's go to the next one here. And it's for your primary, so you can't use MSDHA for any like investment or second home. Co-signers have to live in the home. It's pretty much the whole household. So if you have a girlfriend, anyone over 18, basically the whole household needs to be on the loan when you do a MSDHA loan. And this is the kicker here. So the minimum is 640 credit score. So 640, which is not that hard to achieve. I can help you if you need that. I have videos on that. And the manufacturer housings is 660. And previous foreclosure deed to may follow loan guidelines. I'm not sure what that is. Let's go to the next one. And the good thing, you still can get seller's concession. You can use it for FHA, VA, USDA, that's rural development, and conventional. And it follows conventional guidelines. So just regular guidelines, nothing to jump out of the thing about it. And then single family homes, and then manufactured homes newer to 1976. And then some condominiums, if they're approved by, Fannie Mae, FHA, and things like that. And then, of course, for this, the property requirement, it's a full appraisal and then with utilities on. Pretty standard. And then also for the lot size, if you get a home with 2 lots, it just has to be partialed off. So you only have 1 lot. So I can go more and more with this. This is FHA, you can get $10,000, you can get a gift, and then 95%, so 3.5% down. But the good news with MSDHA, you only put 1% down. So if you're buying a $2,000 house, all you would need is $2,000 plus the cost of your appraisal. So about maybe $3,000, $2,500, and then the rest will be the $10,000. So that's all. I'm not going to go too far into this and go over all the slides, but those are the main things. And let me know if you have questions. Drop me a comment. If you do want a copy of this, go ahead and email me. I'll send you a copy of it. And thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and look forward to helping you guys. Thanks so much.